Okay, on this final video, I want to show you something called the To-Do SEO tab. If you click there on that tab, you're going to see two options, on-site SEO and off-site SEO. Some of them have been clicked automatically after you work on them. So if we click on the off-site SEO, you can see some of them have been moved to the option yes. If you want to change them, of course, it's up to you. Okay, in backlinks here, you can start filling some details to keep track of what you were doing. And, simple as that, just add a number. And playlist as well, link wheels, all the details are here. If for any reason, okay, we finish with this project, okay, let me show you here. No, not necessary. This will turn green. Same for the on-site SEO. If I select all of them, this will turn green. Congratulations, you did it. The project is done. If I go to the main tab, summary, it will say 100% done. And that's how you keep track of your projects. So if you want to create a new project, again, click on add. If you want to delete this project for any reason, click on the project that you want to delete and click on remove. And let me explain you a little bit about the export tab. If you go to backlinks here and we go to video backlinks, you can export these URLs. You can export the social ones here, for example, the Facebook backlinks and the Google Plus backlinks individually. But the most interesting feature is if you go to the To-Do SEO tab, go to the off-site SEO, you can click on export URLs and it will export all the URLs where you were supposed to add a link for your video. What you do with those URLs is a big list of URLs that you were working with. If you can go to services like Linklicious or, for example, backlinks indexer, and you can add your links there. It's up to you which service you want to use. Backlinks indexer is quite good, and they are improving their network as well. As you can see here, you put like one URL or your URLs, the list that you will get from the software, and that will get backlinks from all these websites here, and it's very powerful. So it's up to you what you want to get from these services here. And doing all that, if you follow all the steps here, it will be for a very competitive term. So as I'm telling you, if you focus on the first steps here, getting backlinks from video backlinks or social backlinks from Facebook and Google Plus, you have a big option to do it all for free, and you will see the results very fast. Don't forget to get views as soon as you upload your video. And if for any reason your video was ranking on first page and for some reason disappear, don't freak out. Just go back to your video on YouTube, edit it a bit, change the description a little bit, and then come back here and ping it, and it will get indexed again. It will be ranking again. So that's done for these videos. I hope that it was useful for you and you were able to get the best from it. If you want more information, we have a training forum where you can ask questions, and you may find that information on your manual, on your PDF manual, or or maybe on your files. I will add maybe a link on your files. So thank you very much again. Take care. All the best. Bye bye.